Law of sines. In this lesson, you will learn how to apply the law of sines to solve triangles given side angle angle and angle side angle. What do we already know? Well, we remember from geometry class that side angle angle and angle side angle can be used to prove triangle congruence. So if you're given a side and then an angle, or angle side angle of a triangle, then you know only one such triangle exists. So let's look at our law of sines. We know that the ratio of A to sine of A equals the ratio of side B to sine of angle B, which equals the ratio of side C to sine of angle C. Or you can write it as the reciprocals. So the sine of angle A over side A equals the sine of angle B over side B equals the sine of angle C over side C. So let's apply this to a problem. Two ranger stations are on an east-west line 225 miles apart. A forest fire is located on a bearing of north 43 degrees east from the western station and a bearing of north 17 degrees east from the eastern station. How far is the fire from the western station? All right, so we know that our two ranger stations are on an east-west line 225 miles apart. So here we have station A and station B, and they're 225 miles apart. Well, we know that the forest fire is located on a bearing of north 43 degrees east from the western station. So we draw our north-south line. Then we go from north, we go east, and that's going to be 43 degrees. And so wherever that line ends, or it's going to intersect with another line, that's where the fire is. All right, so then we're going to look at the eastern station. Well, we draw our north line, and then it's at a bearing of 17 degrees east. So from that north line, we go east 17 degrees. And we want to know how far is the fire from that western station. So we'll let X be that distance of the fire from the western station. Well, now let's fill in what we know about this triangle. Because we know that the north-south line and the east-west line create a 90-degree angle, then the remaining angle for BA to the fire must be 47 degrees. We also know that the north-south line from B and the east-west line must create a 90-degree angle. So you have that 90-degree angle plus the 17-degree angle, which gives you 107 degrees. And then because it's a triangle, all the angles must add up to 180. So we have 26 degrees up by the fire. So now let's use our law of sines to solve for X. So we have X over the angle that it's opposite, so sine of 107 degrees, equals 225 over the sine of 26 degrees. Then we just multiply both sides by sine of 107, and then you can put that into the calculator and you get X equals 491 miles. So that's how you use the law of sines to solve a problem using a triangle that is not a right triangle. So now you're going to practice on your own. Determine the remaining sides and angles of the triangle below. You have triangle ABC, where the measure of angle B is 52 degrees, the measure of angle C is 29 degrees, and side BC is 43 feet. So you need to find side AC, side AB, and the measure of angle A.